Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be completely different. I'm actually going to be starting makeup in reverse, kind of. So we're starting off with a skincare routine, and this video is sponsored by Caudalie. Thank you so much, Caudalie, for sponsoring this video. The team is amazing. So basically the whole theme for these videos is we're going to start off really glam and then go into a skincare routine, show you how to take care of your skin, how to prep it for fresh makeup, and how to make your makeup look amazing and dewy and just perfect. Okay, to take off this glam, we are going to be starting off with the step 1 of the skincare routine, and this is going to be with the Caudalie makeup removing cleansing oil. Now this cleansing oil is amazing because it really breaks down waterproof makeup, and oils are great for that. So this has a blend of 100% naturally derived plant oil, and it includes grapeseed oil and sweet almond oil, so it smells amazing. And as you can see, she's going to rub it all over her skin to break down the makeup and around her eyes as well. It's completely eye safe. Over the lips, get everything melted. And once you're done, you're going to have to add a bit of water to emulsify it, and it actually turns into like a milky texture, and that really gets the cleansing process started as well. And remove any residue with a cotton pad. And now we're going to use a toner. So this is a moisturizing toner that really soothes the skin, and it cleanses and tones the skin as well. So it just adds that extra cleansing step and balances your skin and preps it for moisturizer. So I'm just going to take that on a cotton pad and rub it all over her skin. Next, I'm going to take the Caudalie Premier Crew Serum. I love this. I've been using this for a while now, and it's great for oily skin as well. It feels like you have nothing on your face. So I actually went to the launch of this product, and what I learned is that it really penetrates deep into the layers of the skin, and it's a great anti-aging and hydrating serum. And it kind of restores the cellular energy of the skin and boosts effectiveness of your skincare. Whatever you apply afterwards is going to penetrate so much deeper. And then I'm going to take the Premier Crew eye cream. And what I like about this eye cream is that it has kind of like a light reflecting particles in it. So once you tap it in and once it sets, it kind of adds that brightness. So it kind of has like tiny pearl particles that doesn't look shimmery at all. And following up with the Premier Crew range, this is the last step, and it is the cream. So I'm going to be taking 2 pumps, and I'm going to be applying that in the same motions that I used the serum. And now that our skincare routine is done, we can move to makeup. I'm going to be applying a very thin layer of foundation, and because I prepped her skin really well, a little foundation goes a long way because it's just going to glide all over the skin because it's super moisturized. So again, working in thin layers and tapping it in areas where you might need a bit more. Next, I'm going to be taking concealer under her eyes to really add that brightness because the look we're going for is super fresh and glowy. So just tap that in with your fingers and use a damp beauty blender if you want to diffuse that even more. A very light dusting of translucent setting powder under the eyes. And then for minimal makeup looks, I really like to define the brows to make them even pop more, and that way you kind of need less makeup because it really frames your face. And I'm just going to be using a gel pomade throughout the brows and a bit of clear brow gel. Add a touch of blush that suits your skin tone. I'm going to be using a peachy pink on May. And then we move on to some strategic highlighting. So Cupid's bow, a bit on the nose and cheekbones. I'm going to be running it through her brow bone and a bit on the lids as well. And then applying it a bit more concentrated on the lids to really add that glow. Using a small brush, I'm going to be applying it to the inner corners of her eyes to really open up her eyes. Next, I'm going to blend a soft brown matte eyeshadow throughout the crease and on the outer corners. You can use bronzer if you want as well. And just make sure the edges are blended really well. Add a coat of mascara. And follow up with your perfect nude lipstick. I'm going to be using a pinky nude on May. And working that in with a lip brush so it kind of looks more of a stain, and working it up and building it as I go. I'm going to top it off with some lip balm tapped into the lips with my finger and cleaning up around the lip if necessary. Let that hair down. The final step of the skincare routine is the iconic Caudalie Beauty Elixir. As you can see, there's a layer of oil on top, so you really need to shake this product prior to using it. It has a ton of vitamins in it, it adds radiance to the complexion, and it's a great way to refresh your makeup or your skin throughout the day. And then that completes the fresh makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to do more videos like this where I talk more about skincare or the steps prior to makeup, let me know because I really enjoyed doing this video with Caudalie. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and leave me your thoughts, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.